Push the throttle gently. That is very good. Now keep going and reach a speed of minute. I will take it from here.
Garib Rath Superfast Express is arriving at platform number 7. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 1